This 5-minute solution will show you how to change your Twitch account password. First of all, open twitch.tv. Make sure to sign into your Twitch profile or account. Then click on your profile photo and click on settings. And here, click on security and privacy. And scroll down. Under security section, you will get here password. To change your password, click on change password. Now you have to verify your Twitch account. So enter here your current password and click on verify. Now you have to verify your Twitch account email address. So go to your Gmail and collect the verification code and put the code here. And here enter your current password, and in this box type a new password for your Twitch account, and here retype the password to confirm, and then click on change password and your Twitch account password will be changed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.